Hello students, this is Dr. Saurabh Rajaram Mhatre from Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So in last lecture, we discussed about excretion and excretory products. And we have also discussed about the animals which are broadly classified on the three types based on their nitrogenous waste. First one is ammonia. Ammonia is the basic product of deamination process, but due to their high toxicity, it is immediately diluted. If there is no or limited access to water, then need for the conversion of ammonia becomes necessary. Thus, availability of water plays very important role, key role in deciding mode of excretion of an organism. So, these three types are mainly, first one is amnotelism. Amnotelism means elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia is called as amnotelism. It is basic in nature. Ammonia is basic in nature. Hence, it would be disturb the pH of the body. If retained in the body, it would be disturb the pH of the body. Slight increase in the pH will disturb all the enzyme catalase reactions in the body and would also make the plasma membrane unstable. It is readily soluble in water. Ammonia is readily soluble in water and needs large quantity of water to dilute and reduce the toxicity. However, it is energy saving mechanism of excretion. Hence, all animals that have plenty of water available for the dilution of ammonia excrete nitrogenous waste in the form of ammonia. Such animals are called as amnotelic organism. So basically 1 gram of ammonia needs to about 300 to 500 ml of water for elimination. 1 gram of ammonia needs about 300 to 500 ml of water. 300 to 500 ml of water for 1 gram of ammonia for the elimination. Amnotelism is found in aquatic invertebrates. Amnotelism is basically found in the aquatic invertebrates, bony fishes, and aquatic larval amphibians. Animals without excretory system are also amnotelis. Example of these animals are protozoa. Amnotelic animals excrete ammonia through their general body surface, that is skin or gills and kidneys. Amnotelic animals excrete ammonia through their general body surface, that is skin, then gills and kidneys. So second type is of ureotelism. So in ureotelism, elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea is called as ureotelism. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of urea is called as ureotelism. Urea is less toxic and less water soluble than ammonia. Hence, it can be concentrated to some extent in the body. Due to this, it requires late waterfall elimination as compared to ammonia. Near about 100 times less water in the human, several hundreds times in the camel, kangaroo rat and shark. As it is less toxic and less water soluble, hence ureotelism is suitable for animals. Those need conversion of water to some extent, conservation of water to some extent, means they conserve water at certain extent. So these animals are suitable for ureotelism. Hence it is common in the terrestrial animals. Hence it is common in terrestrial animals, as they have to conserve water. It takes about 50 ml of water for the removal of 1 gram of urea in the form of urea. Mammals, cartilaginous fishes. In cartilaginous fishes, sharks and rays, then mainly aquatic reptiles, most of the adult amphibians, etc. These all are ureotelic animals. Ureotelic. Mammals, cartilaginous fishes, mainly aquatic reptiles, most of the adult amphibians, these all are ureotelic organisms. Ureotelic organisms. They convert ammonia to urea in the liver by the operating ornithine uric cycle, that is also known as urea cycle, Krebs and Henseleit cycle. In this cycle, 3 ATP molecules are used to produce 1 molecule of urea. 3 molecules of adenosine triphosphate are used to produce 1 molecule of urea. In sharks retain more urea in their body fluid to make their blood isotonic to the surrounding marine water. Shark retain more urea in their body fluid, means their body blood contains more urea. For what purpose? To make their blood isotonic to the surrounding marine water. So these helps them to prevent possible loss of water by exosmosis. So this is all about ureotelism. Third type is of uricotelism. Uricotelism. Uricotelism, elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid. In the form of uric acid is called as uricotelism. Elimination of nitrogenous waste in the form of uric acid is called as uricotelism. Uric acid is least toxic than ammonia and urea. Hence, it can retain in the body for some time in concentrated form. It is least toxic. It is least soluble in water. Hence, minimum 5 to 10 ml of water requires for 1 gram of dilution, or no need of water for its elimination. Hence, animals those need to conserve more water follow uricotelism. Animals those need to conserve more water follow uricotelism. Ammonia is converted into uric acid by ionogenic acid pathway in the liver of birds, some insects, many reptiles, land snails. These all are uricotelic because they need to conserve the water. However, they have to spend more energy. So these birds, insect, many reptiles, land snails, these all are uricotelic because they need to conserve water. However, they have to spend more energy. So these animals, birds, which excrete eliminates uric acid. These eliminates uric acids as their nitrogenous waste. So these are known as uricotelic animals. Thank you, students.